Alright, so I thought I'd give you a quick view of the camper with a new floor. Came out of the bedroom. Haven't done the bedroom yet, but here's the bathroom. Kitchen area. I still have to put the screws back in the floor for the table, but I just set it up so people could see what it looked like. And then my working supplies, but anyways, that's how it looks now. And I'm probably gonna carry it on into the bedroom and not just go with this floor in here, but I'm still have to still gotta decide what I'm gonna do. So that's what I've been doing this weekend, along with Connor. Connor helped me out a lot. Thank you, Connor. Big help, dude. So, did not have plans to replace a floor in an RV that I just bought. Thank you, Alaska, for doing that to me. But anyways, it works. Looks good, I think. Hope you like it. If not, it's not yours. You don't have to.
When life keeps falling and wonder where he is in all this mess, he's right there to guide you, unseen, you're not